Providing your visitors with the right tools to navigate and experience your city to the fullest can be challenging and expensive. That's why we developed Qwick Tourist, a cloud-based template solution that enables your city to build an interactive tourism directory on a kiosk network. The Qwick Tourist platform makes smart and environmentally sustainable technologies accessible and cost-effective for any city. Enhance your visitors' experience by providing instantaneous information and services through a network of touchscreen displays. Intuitive templates let you create listings for local businesses and attractions, promote events and city hotspots, while our cloud content management system enables you to manage and update visitor information immediately. Qwick Tourist provides a simple, interactive, digital solution to updating, revising, and promoting your community, no matter how big or small, without a big price tag. Easily upload maps, menus, coupons, photos, and videos. The possibilities are endless. Just drag and drop it. Built-in revenue generation streams like banner ads, paid listings, search ranking, and digital signage capabilities keep tourism revenue in your community. Built-in text, email, and QR code functionalities allows your visitors to send information to their mobile devices using the cloud. Simple and immediate. In an ever-changing digital world, make sure your information systems are adapting too. Visit us at tourism.qwickmedia.com for a free trial.